Hi guys, how are you? Today we are going to install Windows Server 2022 on our VMware workstation. So let's start and see what steps we have to follow in this video lecture. So first of all, we are going to click on the create new virtual machine button. New pop-up window appears. Here we select typical installation for Windows Server 2022. Click next button. Here we select ISO for ISO of Windows Server 2022. So we select ISO and click next button. Here we select Windows Server 2022 Standard Edition and we are going to mention here, in my case I will select type administrator and password for admin account. After putting a password in the password field, I click next and click yes. Here I have to select a destination for my virtual machine. After selecting destination, I have to click on the next button and specify the disk size here for our operating system. Here I select 30 GB space and store virtual disk as a single file. It means virtual machine creates only one single file for the 30 GB hard drive. Now click next button and if you want to customize your changings, then you have to do this. In this step, click finish. After completion of initial phase, the installation of Windows Server 2022 will be started. So guys, now our installation is going to start in a while, and we are on the first page which says setup is initializing. Here we see some options, shows some percentage. After this step, we will further proceed for the installation of Windows Server 2022. Meanwhile, I am going to pause my video to shorten the length of the overall video of this lecture. Here we see we are approaching to 97% and our installation is going to finish in a while because we are on the last steps. Here you can see Windows Server installation is yet to be completed and some drivers and services are installing and we are finishing our server installation. Yeah, students, you can see our Windows installation completed and we are on the login screen and you can see administrator is our user. So after some initial configuration and profile configuration, we have to put administrator password on this server to log in. So you can see we are on the Windows Server 2022 main screen, and now it's time to install VMware tools. Now students, you can see here we are on the VMware tools installation window, and after VMware tools, our graphics and our keyboard enhancement features will be installed with the installation of VMware tools. So we are able to work smoothly on this virtual machine after the installation of VMware tools. Okay students, our VMware tool is installed and now we are going to click yes button to reboot our virtual machine to take effects. So guys, we are on the login screen again after the reboot of the virtual machine, and we are going to put a password. Oops, I'm doing something wrong with the password. Yeah, guys, I successfully logged in on the Windows Server machine, which I previously made some mistake in my password. So now I log in successfully on this machine. We are now going to open this Windows Server Manager. Hey guys, sorry for the background noise, which is unable to stop it because due to some reasons. So I hope you don't mind. Next time I will give you brief overview of this server manager and all their options in this Windows Server machine. Okay guys, thanks for watching my videos. I will upload new videos on this series. Up till next, bye bye, and subscribe my channel and share with your friends and families.